Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace anode rod that is located over here in water heaters. So first thing first, we need to flip this water heater fuses off, so we have no power going because we'll have to drain the water heater. Now you connect your water heater to the drain. My drain is located right here, so I'm gonna go to and start draining the water heater. But first, of course, you need to shut the water off to make sure there's no water getting into the water heater. And before you want to do it, so I'm gonna start opening the valve. You can start hearing the water going up, but now we're gonna have a vacuum, so nothing is gonna go until we open the valve. So this is the overflow valve. Right now the air is getting into the top of the tank, so we can drain a little bit more. And the reason for it is that the water is up to here. If I remove the anode rod, the water will spill out, so we need to drain a little bit of the water here. So I'm gonna give it a minute for the water to drain. This is our new anode rod, and in order for you to remove it, we need the special socket. This is 1 1/16 that will fit on top of here. Usually there's a little styrofoam on top of it that covers the anode rod, so you may have to remove that before you can actually put the socket onto this water heater anode rod. Okay, so I was able to loosen that up by myself. I'll just have to open it and I'll show you how it looks. So this water heater was installed in June 2021. Now it's October 2024. That's how much corrosive this whole water is, and the anode rod should look like this. If you don't change it, then all the chemicals will eat the lining of the water heater. Why are we doing this maintenance? And we can expect that there are a bunch of stuff floating on the bottom. You may want to just go and flush the water heater a couple of times to make sure that all the debris are gonna be going down the drain, and there's gonna be not much of the junk and gunk sitting on the bottom of the water heater. So couple of flushes like this should take care of it. Alright, so now I've drained my entire water heater, so there was basically no water, and I saw a little sludge over there on the bottom. I opened the main valve a couple of times. Now the bottom is clean. Now I put a little Teflon onto the head of the new anode rod, and now I'm gonna insert it. When you're gonna be putting the water inside of the water heater, leave this open for a while or open the faucets, otherwise you're going to have a vacuum over here. So I'm gonna start slowly putting the water inside of the water heater, and at the same time I'm going to open the faucet so there is no vacuum anywhere, and I'm gonna open another one in the kitchen. When it gets closer to the top, I'm gonna close the vacuum, and gently I'm gonna release it from time to time until I see the water going into the drain. And basically that's it. So I hope you like this video. I hope you find it useful. As you can see, it's 2021 when I installed it. It's only 3 years, and the anode rod is looking like this, which is not good. So I guess I have to replace the anode rod in this particular location every 2 years to prevent myself from replacing the water heater. To prevent myself from replacing water heater every 5 or 6 years. Thank you very much. Goodbye.